Hello everyone, I welcome you to Tabs Forex Academy. On this channel, we're going to be looking at basically financial markets, and to be specific, we shall be looking at the Forex market. Before I go any further, please remember to subscribe, like the channel, and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any new video that is uploaded. And remember to tap on the Telegram link in the description below to join our Telegram community, where I will be sharing tips, notes in form of PDFs for further reading, videos and audios, all concerning financial markets. Now, when you talk about the financial or the capital assets, or what we call the markets, we simply mean each of the following there: the foreign exchange market, the stock market, the commodities market, the cryptocurrencies market, the indices. For all of these, the same terms and words, the terminologies are used, and almost everything remains the same. The language, the brokers that we use, and many more. So whatever I'll be sharing with you cuts across, but I'll be referring to Forex on this channel. The foreign exchange. What is this all about? I'm not going to give you the history of this. I'll be sharing very many reading materials in the Telegram channel and the upcoming course that I'll be launching very soon. But in short, we can talk about Forex. What is Forex? Well, Forex is simply an abbreviation of foreign exchange, what called the Forex market, or the FX market, all the currency trading markets. In other words, it's all about money changing hands. You've heard of the Forex bureaus. In case you've ever traveled out of the country, going to other countries, you've bought money or currencies of the other country. In case you're a trader and you are always importing or exporting goods, all that involves money changing hands. Now, what we need to know is that this market is so big that trillions of dollars are exchanged daily, unlike the other financial markets. So it is high time for you to tap into this market. Another thing that we need to know is that it is a decentralized global market where all the world's currencies are traded. Thanks to the internet. About the history, one thing that we need to know is that in the past, this market was only conducted between banks and institutions like, for example, the NSSF and other hedge funds. But thanks to the internet, you and me, the banks and other financial institutions can tap into this market and we all benefit. If you have a mobile phone, a tablet, a laptop or a computer and a fast internet connection, you are good to go. Tap into this market, learn everything that is possible to be learned, and gain this lifelong skill. There's huge money in this market and it is all waiting on for you to pick it up. However, I have to caution you that there are huge profits and huge losses as well. So the question that you have to ask yourself is, how is your risk or the profit appetite? But the good thing that I have to assure is you always have access to virtual money that you can use to learn this skill before you put in your real money. Now, in this particular video, I'm just giving you a highlight of some of the terms that we use, some of the common terminology that we use. Of course, you need to know that in each field, there are specific terms, words, or terminologies that are used in that field there. So in this Forex exchange market, or in the financial markets in general, we pay attention, or we need to know each of these terms before we engage into the trade. We need to know what currency quotes or pairs exchange rates are. We need to know what the terms bid and ask, buy and sell, going long or going short, what they mean. We need to know what pips are, spreads, lot sizes, margin and leverage, floating or realized profits or losses, balance, equity, margin that is free and used, buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit, stop loss, take profit, market trends, ranges, momentum, pullbacks, retracements. We need to know all of these before you start trading in the financial markets. You'll be hearing and seeing a lot of people who engage in this business, and they'll be using each of these terms here. So before you do anything, as a trader to be, you need to be knowing them as well. So each of these is going to be tackled in detail in separate short videos, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, like that. And as I end this short recording, we need to take note of this, and this is very important. Number one, do not start forex trading with a get-rich mindset. In other words, you're not going to get rich in a month or 2 or 3 like that. You have to invest time, read, understand, practice before you put in your real money, and eventually start with a small amount of money that you can afford to lose for the start. For example, $50, $100 or more, depending on your risk or profit appetite. Always take your time to learn from the demo account. This is why we have virtual money, and as a word of advice, even if this is virtual money, you have the liberty of having as much as possible in your account, but please try to get a small amount of virtual money equivalent to what you would actually put in as your initial investment. So don't put there $1,000, $10,000 if you cannot really afford to put this in your real account. Do not quit your job thinking that you're going to start forex trading and you live on that at the start. Well, with experience, you can later on quit, but don't quit your job to start this. Never use borrowed money, especially if you are a beginner. And you've got to take note that there's a lot of scam activities in this business. I know that you're going to be doing some personal research, and you'll find out very many individuals involved in this game, and they'll always get to your inbox. So please always be careful and always take caution. And the last piece of advice is that practice on the demo account. If you're consistent in making profits on your demo account, maybe for example like in a month, then you're good to go and put in the real money and start trading. That's when you'll realize that now emotions will come in, and later on I'll be talking about this because this is the most important aspect as far as forex trading is concerned. Emotion. How do you manage emotions during the trading? And this is very important. Forex trading, all financial trading, is a lifelong skill. So always endeavor to learn, and always remember the goal as to why you have joined this business. If you keep that in mind, you'll be a profitable trader. And as I end, I leave you with a quote that before you become an overnight success, you've got to be an everyday hustler. I wish you the best, but remember to join our Telegram community as we start on this journey. So it's time now to dive into having a detailed discussion about each of the terms that I've just listed above there, and you'll find this in the playlist. Have a great time, enjoy as you learn, inform a friend, and let's earn together. Please remember to subscribe, click on the bell icon, and always give us a thumbs up and comment where necessary.